Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. It's today actually Valentine's Day, yes. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-stars and the 4-star Sudoku, and two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time, boys and girls, and this one will be number 8004. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 1's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Well, and now we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1's. So the rest are O's. Then between the O's comes in 1. 4 1's we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first row column, so the rest are 1's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double one, here no, there no. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.